We're EVs installing specialists. We should really have a fleet of fully electric vans. The problem with it is the infrastructure is not good enough. Where we travel for work and where we might have an hour or 2 hour journey to our first jobs, depending on where the engineers are working, it's not viable for the engineers to stop out in the public and charge their cars. It just slows the day down too much. Stopping for 45 minutes is so inconvenient. It didn't seem like something we could have done at the time. So I think that is a big problem, the infrastructure. If we had more chargers on the roads, more means to charge the vehicle, more convenience charging the vehicle, then it wouldn't be so much of a difficulty. But I think that's a big problem, the infrastructure. We don't just install home chargers, we also install commercial chargers and public chargers, and we also set tariffs for chargers where the public can pay and charge out on the roads, which is massive. And it actually, if there was more of that, then maybe we can go electric with our fleet of vans, but at the minute it's just something we can't do it. Hybrid is a mixture of combustion and electric in one. So a plug-in hybrid would take power from your energy bill, but you'd also have to fill up some petrol in it. And a fully electric is fully electric. The pros and cons are the hybrid car can run for longer, but you'd still have to visit a petrol station to fill up the vehicle. It's not crazy amounts of money, maybe £20, £30 a month, but it still has to be done. Whereas fully electric, you won't need to ever stop. And I think that's important, that you can just go about your day, and when you come home, plug it in. During your hours of chilling, during your hours of sleeping and being at home, your downtime, your car can be fully charged by the morning, which is quite convenient, isn't it? So.